Hey, what's going on? PlayStationShow.com. I just got something really cool that I wanted to share with all of you. This is the Samsung Captivate Galaxy S phone. It's their series of smartphones using the Android operating system. Just picked it up from. This is the list of features. I think you can read that pretty good. It's a very full-featured phone with a very serious processor, 720p video record and playback, Wi-Fi, GPS, 6-axis accelerometer, TV capable. These are the specifications. 16 gigabyte storage memory, Android UI, 5 hours and 50 minutes. Talk time, standby time 300 hours. That's pretty good. The 4-inch WVGA screen. It's also a super OLED screen. So it's a really high quality screen. I'm really excited about this because I was using a crappy BlackBerry 8310 Edge network. Wasn't very happy with it. I'm finally on a 3G phone, and let me open it up for you. So, this is the packet. You get just a quick start Samsung Captivate Galaxy S phone packet there. This is a little card holder, whatever that is. Here's the phone. This is the phone. It's very thin. Got this cool textured look on the back here. One downside, no flash, but the lady at the store said it still takes really good pictures. It has these couple of buttons on the bottom, and the rest of it's all touchscreen, of course. It's a very big screen. I can't wait to start using this. So, there's that. And the rest of everything else in here. Got some manuals. Pretty boring looking manual. Pretty stock. GPS brochure. Got your earbuds. These actually look pretty good. Nice looking earbuds. This thing for the charger. USB cable, and goes with the charger. So yeah, the Galaxy S phone, Samsung Captivate. This phone also isn't just exclusive to AT&T. It comes on Verizon, T-Mobile, and I think Sprint has their own versions of these phones. They're virtually identical. They just have different names. So if you're on a different carrier than AT&T, you can still get this phone. The most thing I'm excited about is the gigahertz processor and 3G and this big giant super great looking screen. So yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. Oh, get out of here, stupid cat. Okay, so yeah, take it easy, guys. This is the Samsung Captivate, a very serious phone from AT&T. They use the Android operating system. Check you later. Peace out. Hey, what's up? How's it going, PlayStationShow.com? This is Pantera Down 2. I wanted to follow up with a part 2 to the Galaxy S Droid phone that I got recently. I think this is a fantastic phone. Let's spin around here. It just went off there. It's kind of weird to see. But yeah, I think this is a fantastic phone. Just a great looking screen. Lots of, it's on the Droid. So there's lots of good apps. It's got Google everywhere, so it's very easy to access YouTube. I love this thing here, where how you can turn on your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi and your brightening screen, all really easily. What else you got on here? Yeah, all kinds of widgets. You can organize everything really well. This comes with a 5 megapixel camera, so it looks really good. Yeah, this is some of the. I mean, that really doesn't. I don't know what you're gonna get from that, but this phone is really cool. I highly recommend it if you're in the market for something like this. It's just got a fantastic screen. It's so easy to move around on. Very vibrant. As you can see, these backgrounds are static, and there's all kinds of other ones. Like if you just click on down here, go to live wallpapers. You got all these different like static backgrounds, like dynamic themes on the PS3. This one, what's the other good one? This one's kind of cool because it follows your finger around, so wherever your finger goes, the colors change. Stuff. It's just really neat. It's got a great screen, and 16 gigabytes of storage on board. Shoots 720p video, so wherever you are, you can get good video now because this phone has it. So yeah, it's got all these different cool dynamic themes on them. I like this one because of all the different colors, and it's swirling around like that. Making phone calls is even really cool. Like viewing your contacts and stuff. Selecting contacts is really neat. Like if you swipe it this way, it'll make. If you swipe it direction to the right, it'll make a phone call. But if you swipe it the other way, you'll bring up the text option. I'm doing this all on the screen. So see how I'm bringing over to the left? I can send a message like a text. It's just all really neat the way they do everything on this phone. So it wasn't expensive either. Personally, I think this is better than the iPhone, not just because that's what I purchased, but the open platform, the non-proprietary bullshit that Apple puts you through, and the screen is better. I think the screen is definitely better, and yeah, I think I waited a good amount of time. I waited a long time, but I finally got a good phone. Something like this, I think, is really cool. So yeah, Galaxy S, Samsung, Captivate is the name. Yeah, check it out if you're in the market for something like this. It's awesome.